Good morning, guys and girls. It's a Sunday morning. The roads are clear. That means one thing: get out and drive. I love the British roads. I love the British weather. It's when it's good, it's great. I hope you guys make the most of the British weather as well. It's so nice. But I want to take this opportunity to first of all apologise that I haven't put any videos up recently. Unfortunately, I've been engaging in my other passion, which is photography. So for those of you who follow me on Instagram or social media or Facebook, that you'll see I've just been posting tons of pictures, just getting out and seeing as many cars as possible. Went to Goodwood for Players Classic. That was amazing. It was my first time actually, and from what I hear, it was the biggest event that they did to date, and it really was amazing. It just took me back to my childhood, seeing all those cars that I grew up with, Renault 5s, Golfs, the Evos, the Skylines, all that sort of stuff that that made me fall in love with cars. So that was fantastic. If you haven't been, you've got to check it out. But yeah, like I said, it was just a quick apology to apologise that I haven't posted much up yet. But I will be posting more. I'm hoping to get some more videos up soon. I've been doing the rounds, getting networking, meeting new other car lovers, and so we've got some great content coming soon to the channel. Also got some road trips planned as well. So we're just trying to get as much car content out there as possible. And today is really the sort of kickstarter for that. I'm looking forward to just travelling this great Isle of Britain just to see as much as possible, meet new people, more car fans, just engage in that love for cars and everything motorised. Really, if there's anything you guys want to see on the channel, or if you want to be involved, if you want your car on the channel, then drop me a message. Let's meet up and get a video done. I'm more than happy to do it. Let's get that done. But today I'm just going to enjoy driving and take you along with me. The road is absolutely lovely. It's clear, it's lovely. Driving through these foresty type roads with a canopy of trees, it's just so much fun. Obviously responsibly, don't be silly, no need for that, but it's just great to get out there, enjoy your car, no matter what car you've got. One of my favourite sayings is drive anything, drive anywhere. You make the most of what the road is. If you want to get out there and enjoy a Sunday morning, do it, get out there. I'm going to have to turn the cool air on, it's too warm. I never thought I'd say that, but there we go. Oh, breeze, delicious breeze. It's beautiful, nice and cool. That's too much. Drown out the camera, so good. It appears there's like some sort of bike triathlon thing on today. Just men in lycra standing around. I'm guessing they're marshals. But today I'm just going to take you on a blast around where I live, around this little town, show you some of the B roads. My apologies as well, I did get another camera and the battery on it wasn't charged. So my mistake. So you're just going to I'll just have to make do with what I've got today. But hopefully we'll get a good video out today to you, and you can just enjoy the ride, as it were. But like I said, guys, if you want to have your car on the channel, drop me a line. Let's do it. Let's up there. I'm a photographer as well, so it'd be great to get some more pictures done, and just sort of spread the love for cars, positive sides to cars, and that love for motorists. I think we need to use and display more and talk about it more, because there's so many positive sides to the car culture. Everyone's so welcoming. I've been getting to loads of car shows recently, the informal ones, the big ones, just to try and to get into that world again, because that's what I grew up with. That's just seeing that community was amazing. And there's a lot of love for other cars there. You can be in the same field, as it were. I took my Skoda with me, and met a guy with a 911 turbo, and we had a really good chat. And it doesn't, there's no snobbery there. It was just nice to talk about cars and what got you into cars. And I think it's worth just getting involved. So do that. Enjoy it. Enjoy cars. I'm slowing down now because there's a lady on a bike, part of this triathlon thing. I think it's a triathlon, and they're just getting out. Once the road is clear, get a little overtake on, lots of space. exciting. I love it. And if you can, you know, just get out there, enjoy it yourself. Whatever car you've got, I've said it again, you know, just get out there, enjoy driving. You know, and Britain does B roads really well. I mean, you know, on a Sunday morning when they're clear, it's just great to go out for a drive. So, you know, get out there, enjoy it. Just do whatever puts a smile on your face, and enjoy it. I keep saying it. And today, you know, today's video really wasn't about anything in particular, other than to apologise for not being around too much, because I've been doing other things. But at the same time, just to remind you that if you're not out in a